Welcome to Early Signal, where we explore significant tech developments before they become mainstream. Today, we're looking at a subtle but important shift in how Apple is handling advertising in its App Store search results, set to roll out in 2026. Why should you care? Because the App Store is one of the busiest digital marketplaces, where millions of apps compete for your attention every day. How Apple chooses to display ads here affects which apps you discover, how developers promote their products, and ultimately, how your digital experience unfolds. So, what's changing? Currently, when you search for an app on the App Store, you might see a single ad at the top of the search results. Starting in 2026, Apple will increase the number of ads shown in these search results. This means advertisers will have more opportunities to reach users right when they're actively looking for apps to download. These additional ads won't require advertisers to change their campaigns. Their ads will automatically be eligible to appear not just at the very top, but also in other positions within search results. Importantly, advertisers cannot choose or bid for specific ad slots. Ads will still look the same, featuring either the default product page or a custom product page, and can include deep links that direct users to specific parts of the app. How does this work behind the scenes? Apple's system matches ads to search queries using keywords chosen by advertisers or suggested by Apple. The technology weighs both how relevant an app is to the search and the advertiser's bid. If an app isn't a good match, it won't appear, regardless of how much the advertiser is willing to pay. This approach aims to keep ads useful and relevant, preserving user experience. In the short term, we can expect more ads appearing in our App Store searches, which means users will see a wider variety of promoted apps. For developers and advertisers, this opens up more doors to find customers, especially given that about 65% of app downloads come directly after a search. However, because Apple controls the ad placements and relevance criteria tightly, advertisers will still need to focus on making their apps relevant and appealing to their target audiences. From a privacy perspective, Apple's continued emphasis on relevance without compromising user data is notable. Advertisers rely on keywords and contextual matching rather than invasive profiling, aligning with Apple's broader privacy stance. Looking further ahead, this expansion of ad placements could signal Apple's increasing focus on leveraging its App Store as a revenue source beyond just app sales and subscriptions. More ad slots mean more potential income from advertising, which could influence the App Store's ecosystem dynamics. For users, this could mean a more commercialized search experience, but hopefully one that remains balanced and relevant. It's also worth considering the impact on developers. Smaller developers might find it harder to compete if more ads crowd the search results, especially if larger advertisers dominate bidding. On the flip side, the additional ad inventory could mean more affordable options for mid-sized developers to promote their apps. In reflection, Apple's move to introduce more ads in search results is a calculated step that balances revenue growth with user experience and privacy. It's a reminder that even subtle changes in digital marketplaces can ripple out, affecting how we discover technology and how developers reach us. As we watch this roll out over the next couple of years, it will be interesting to see how Apple maintains this balance and how users and developers respond to a more ad-filled App Store search. Thanks for listening to Early Signal. We'll keep tracking these changes so you stay ahead of the curve.